Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll see some of the primes using command line argument. In the last video we have seen the basics of the command line argument. So if you have not seen the basics of the command line argument, then please go to the previous video and watch it, and after that watch this video. Okay friends, so in the last video we have seen how to do the command line argument. So first, in the main function we'll write here int argc. So argc means the count of the arguments, and after that we'll write character type of array, and the name of this is argv. Okay, so you know by default there is a one argument present in program, so whose position is 0. Okay, so we want to take two inputs from the users. Okay, so two input means one is for lower value and another for upper value. So we want to sum the primes from a lower value to a upper value. So we want two inputs from the user, but there is another argument present in the program, so that's why there will be 3 arguments. Okay, so we'll first check if the argument count is not equals to 3, then it will ask the user to give the arguments properly. Okay, so for that we'll write here printf, and inside this there will be a message, please use value 1 and value 2. Okay, right here please insert value 1 and value 2. Okay, this will gives this message to the user. If he not insert two values, or if he insert only one values or more than two values, then the program will give this message to the user. Okay, so now we want two values from the user and we want to store it into two variables. So the first variable is in1 and argv, and its position is 1. Okay, so this is a string type and we have to convert it into integer. So for that write here atoi. So this will convert string type argument to integer. Okay, so similarly we'll do it for n2. So just copy it from here and paste it here. So write here n2 and give here position 2. So what value will give in the position 2, so that will be stored into n2. Okay, so in our program our lower value for calculating the primes will be lower equals to n1 plus 1, and our upper value will be n2. So this will be n2. Okay, so now we want to sum up the primes from this lower to upper. Okay, so for that write here a for loop, and I equals to lower I less than upper, then I plus plus. Okay, and inside this write count equals to 1. Our initial count value is 1, and inside this for loop we'll write another for loop, which is inner for loop, and this will be from j equals to 2, j less equals to I by 2, and then j plus plus. And inside this we'll check if I percentage j equals to 0. So if this is 0, then what we'll do, will increase the count value. Okay, so we'll increase the count value here. So after this for loop, we'll check again if our count value is 1. So see friends, in this for loop we are checking if this is a prime number or not using this count, because if this number is not divided by any other numbers except itself, then the count will remain 1, otherwise it will increases. So after iterating all the loops, we'll again check if count value is equals to 1. If this is 1, that means this is a prime number. So then we'll sum the elements. So sum equals to sum plus I. And after the outer for loop, we'll print the sum. So for that, write here printf and insert this right here, sum of prime. Sum of prime equals to %d. So %d, okay. So %d is sum. Okay. So our code is complete, but we have not declared this n1, n2, lower, upper, I, j count. So just declare it globally. So for that, write here int n1, then n2, then there was I and j, then lower, then upper, and then there was count also, and then there's another variable like sum. Okay, and initialize this sum equals to 0. Okay, so here you have to give 2 arguments. So from which lower value to which upper value you want to sum up all the prime numbers. So I want to sum up all the prime numbers from 1 to 10. So let's see if it works perfectly or not. So for that, click on this run and let's see. Sum of primes are 17. Okay, let's see what are our prime numbers between this 1 and 10. So between 1 and 10, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 4 is not a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 6 is not a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Okay, 8 is not a prime number, 9 is not a prime number, 10 is not a prime number. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. Okay, so this output is correct. Okay, this is the perfect output. So this is how you can calculate the sum of the prime numbers between the lower level and the upper level using command line argument. Okay friends, hope you understand this and enjoyed this whole video. If you have any questions or queries, then please comment below and please like the video and don't forget to subscribe now. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.